We purchased our first car, and I want to show you guys. Now let's get into it.
Ain't nothing like you. Love yourself like no one else. I'm telling the truth.
Okay, you guys, so as you guys know, we just bought a car and now we had to come take it to Nissan to get it serviced. And I'm a little frustrated because I feel like I shouldn't have to go through all of this, but we gotta do what we gotta do. And yeah. Hopefully within the next week you'll see me rolling. But anyways, I'll get that to y'all when I get my car back. And that's on period. Dropping off my car. What is this? We dropping off the car, baby? Yes, you should still have her rollers in, cause who? I'm gonna go home, do my makeup, and take it out for y'all. Then y'all gonna see how it's gonna be after this.
Alright, you guys, so we are back at the car place again, and we are picking up our car. I'm so excited. It's been a long time coming. It is 10:52, March 30th. We purchased this car on around March 10th or so. Y'all, I'm so excited. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully our car runs good and we'll be rolling. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's show you. I want to show y'all my car. I mean, she's little, but she's my baby, my first baby, and that's on period. All right. You waiting on the car? All right, y'all, we are inside her. I just want to show you guys the car. This is my baby. I wish I'd asked, but I don't feel like getting out. I'm gonna let my husband drive though, so y'all can while I record and do what I do. But yeah, I'm so excited. I just got the engine fixed, and hopefully we don't have to worry about nothing else with this car. Oh, I just pray we don't. We're gonna get the oil changed, and yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, Kool-Aid ready? Oh, dang. Okay, cool. Yeah, let me get a Kool-Aid as well. I'm sorry. Thank you. We are running errands. Water is, oops, $8.20 right here. We are at the grocery store. Me and the hubs. This is spending the day with me. So, hey y'all, hey. How y'all day doing? Okay. Do not judge me, but between purchasing and fixing a car and quarantining from having COVID, I have yet to have gone to the nail shop, but self-care day will be coming soon. I'm just blessed to be alive and in good health as far as me and my family. Now let's get it. Oh, he getting a Disney. They got Aquafina. Animal got, I want Aquafina. You know what, that's what husbands are for.
Real.
Just keep it